Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Michelle and today I am going to show you some style tips on how to wear a silk square. I find that the silk square, it may not be the most popular item to purchase at Vuitton, but a lot of people buy them for gifts. Now, I know for a long time I've had a couple of squares in my closet just sitting there, and I remember as a little girl playing with my mom's silk scarves as well, but she never wore them. And it's because we just did not know how to wear them. Working at Vuitton, they don't show you these things. I remember my first weeks on the floor, people would come in and ask me, can you show me how to wear these? And I just had no clue. I was just folding them in a triangle and putting them on like a handkerchief. Like I remember one of my coworkers saying like, just like that, like a cowboy, huh? I'm like, yeah, that's awful. Anyhow, let me just show you though how a silk square can just spice up an outfit, break up an outfit if you're wearing all black like I'm right now, or sometimes like add some color to change things up a bit. Plus it's a great winter accessory because it actually does keep your neck warm. Silk is such a wonderful material to wear, and also it's very luxurious. So it is going to elevate any outfit that you have. I'm going to show you just a few ways that I know how to tie them. And let me just disclaimer here, I'm not the silk scarf expert, but I'll show you what I learned and I'll show you what I know. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start by showing you how I fold the square. So this is a large silk square and I have the front of it face down. I see that most people think that the best way is to fold it in a triangle and then roll it very tight. Well, the problem is that you'll still have the ends, the corners poking out. One thing I learned is that when you have your square, bring those two corners to the middle. So I am choosing these corners because the Vuitton is here. Like a lot of people like to show that Louis Vuitton logo. So from there, we're going to make this even tighter. Now, if you want to make it really tight, put an iron to this on low, because this is silk, and make your creases, and that will help the scarf to be really tight when you roll it. But you see how I just keep folding it to the center, and you can make that skinny. Okay, so without the iron, that's about all I can go. So we're just going to fold that over until you get that nice skinny scarf. So it's kind of like a necktie. Okay, so that is the base. And from there, let's put that around our neck and we'll try different ways. Okay, so now that we have that rolled nicely, what I'm going to do is take one side and just do a simple knot. So take this end and you're going to go backward, back, and then through the loop. So you're just making a simple knot. Probably you can move that up a little bit too. Now take the other end of the scarf. This tag you are supposed to cut off because it will get in the way. Just pull it through and there you go. Now these ends, it is best if you stagger them. If you leave them like this, it might make your outfit look short, actually. Whereas if you want to look taller, you want this to look very flowy. So stagger where the ends go, and then it's going to give you this elongated look. You can also decide where you want the knot to be depending on like what your shirt looks like. So you can kind of play around with that and see where it lies. Now let me show you some other fun ways to tie. You can also grab the middle of this and we are going to loop it around my neck. Sorry, my hair is in the way. And you can pull both ends through. Pull both ends through. This is a great look for winter. This actually does keep your neck warm. Such a simple way to elevate this simple black shirt that I'm wearing. Okay, so that's number two. Here's another way that I see people wear it. So we're keeping the same fold and just tie the ends together. Tie those two ends together, give it a twist, and put it over your head. And now you have an Infiniti scarf. I love Infiniti Scarves because they're just, you throw them on and then they're just easy. You don't have to fuss with it. You don't like have ends that might get stuck in the paper shredder in case, or you know, or in your car door when you close it. So super simple way. And now the last way I'm going to show you, I'm just going to unknot this and we are going to just give it a good twist. We're going to twist and fold it in half. So we have our half scarf here. Now I'm going to bring that around my neck. We're going to twist that one last time. So you have a little loop at the end. And you're going to poke these two through that loop. And I want this end longer. So now you have a much shorter and tighter way to present that around your neck. If you're to this point of the video, thank you guys so much for watching. Now, I am not the expert in this, so I know there's so many other videos on YouTube that show so many creative ways that you can wear this silk square. Anyhow, if you're to this part of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button and leave me a nice positive comment. Thank you so much for helping me grow my channel. My name is Michelle. Thank you. Bye.